Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't currently offer a way to hide reposts entirely or make them private for just yourself. This is the limitation of TikTok. But there is a method you can use to hide reposts on TikTok. Make your account private. This will hide all your reposts along with your original content from anyone who doesn't follow you. They'll need to send a follow request and get approved to see your profile and reposts. Here's how to make your account private. Go to your profile and tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Toggle Private Account on. I hope they've added a feature to do that. As soon as they launch this option, I'll make an updated video exactly showing you how to do it. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.